So it's very unusual that the Via train would have parked on track 2 here heading east. It only did so because there was a train on track 1 just now here at Dorval. I was hoping to see a freight coming through, but it doesn't look like it's happening right now. And these are the 70-year-old Bud cars, Bud heritage cars. The yellow and blue scheme is kind of nice. It used to be only blue. They added that little yellow stripe there. But the newer ones, the newer rebuilt ones, are this yellow with green, which are pretty nice. You can see they work pretty well. It's unfortunate that the new train sets don't continue with the green and yellow, instead go with a more black, yellow, and gray. So it's the 3rd of January 2022. This will be the first passenger train of the year for me. Alright, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Don't think this is relieving right away. So, let's see if I can go up the platform a little bit. Oh, here it goes. That was a cool. There it goes underneath the Dorval ramps. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.